Anna Marie here. Today I'm reviewing the PYD Life Sublimation Straight Skinny Tumblers. These 20-ounce stainless steel tumblers are double wall insulated, so they'll keep your drinks hot or cold all day. They're ready for sublimation printing, so you can personalize them with any design you like. The sublimation coating is excellent quality, ensuring that the prints always come out extremely vibrant. It's so easy to press these tumblers. Once you've printed off your design, you're going to wrap the tumbler. You want to make sure it's nice and straight at the top. Then you tape it across the sides and up the top and pull the tape as hard as you can so it's a nice tight fit. The idea is to have no little bubbles or gaps in the paper. You want it as flat as it can be on your tumbler. From there, just put the tumbler in your tumbler press for the time you've selected. Every tumbler press is different. We do ours at 60 seconds at 385 degrees. Then rotate the tumbler and press it for another 30 seconds. Then just take the tumbler out, unwrap the tape, and voila. As I mentioned before, the prints are extremely vibrant on these tumblers.